This is after day one. Tore up all that linoleum. And I said all this black stuff will sand right down. So, still got to do the utility room. Yep. Should be done the end of this week, hopefully. Alright, day 2. Initial sand down was yesterday. And then this is just kind of, not a sealant, but a filler that there's on the floors just from some previous damage. And also because the previous owners had carpet in here. Literally, it put a million staples in here, in the floor. And then this was where all the linoleum was. That black stuff's been sanding up off there. It's been a little more difficult, obviously, than the average room. But yeah, it's coming along pretty nicely. They did a lot of that yesterday. So they said that the whole house is getting sanded today. I think they're coming back today. Not sure, but it should be done at the end of the week. Apparently they have to sand, fill in, sand, fill in, sand. They sand a few times. It's kind of the whole process, so we're getting there. This is after the natural finish on the red oak floors. So most of the trouble spots sanded out. Some of them you can see they did not sand out, which is fine. It's part of the character of a 1933 house with the original flooring. Bathroom stayed the same. That's the dining room. This is the bedroom upstairs. It all came out really well. Like, the lighting kind of sucks in most of the left side of the house. Or I guess the right side if you're walking in. Yay, dogs. Dog bed's in the wash. Yeah. So back to the dining room. Yeah, that area really didn't stand out, but that's fine. Butler's pantry. All that dust that I have to clean off from all the sanding. And all the cloths that I'm using and the mops that I'm using to get all the dust up. And the breakfast nook area. So we got that Wi-Fi in the corner. Gotta wipe off all those ledges. Kitchen. Back to this spare room that we haven't decided what to do with yet.